Welcome back to The Legal Brief, the show where we crush the various legal myths and misinformation surrounding various areas of the gun world. I'm your host, Adam Kraut.
TacPack offers some of the highest quality tactical and EDC gear in a monthly package shipped right to your door. They aren't focused on sending you a bunch of crap. They want to make sure that you get gear you will actually use, featuring things like knives, tourniquets, multi-tools, AR-15 parts, and survival gear. TacPack is bound to have gear that you're going to love. And we're switching it up again, so if you order right now, you can get either a free knife or a free multi-tool with the code TGCKnife or TGCTool at TacPack.com.
John mentioned that he had spoken to a mutual friend of ours who asked how the show was going. Of course, it's going great, right? It also came up in the court.
Don't say that!
They haven't banned anything, so stop believing what you read on the internet. Yeah. Only listen to me. I am the Minister of Information.
I swear to God, if you don't believe TGC, it's gonna be a problem!
Listen to TGC! Put that in the blooper reel, though. I suck at ad-libbing, too, apparently. Part of Sarah's contention was that John Hinckley Jr. had...
You alright?
Yeah, it's okay. Reading is fundamental, kids. That the local chief law enforcement officer, or CLEO, could be contacted. Check. Audio. Ooh. Click so you can hear me. It's like Jay and Silent Bob. Like, I am the click commander.
American politics!
Woo! If you're attending the NRA annual meeting in Atlanta, don't forget.
Atlanta?
Yeah. Thank you. There we go. There we go. I was waiting for that. The National Firearms Act of 1934 was the first majoral Yeah, majoral. That's a new word. The National Firearms Act of 1934 was the first majoral... That's not even a word! Well, we're off to a good start.
I hope he's saving these.
I hope not. But Adam, what about those SIG braces, shockwave blade stabilizers, and Thorson Customs enhanced bumper...
Woody Adam!
But Adam was reporting people it deemed incompetent to NICS for the purposes of... SSA published its new regulations in the Federal Register. Wow. That's not even a word. Register. All right. I think I can do this. Teleprompting. Teleporting. Teleporter. Telepromptering. The new regulations tell us that under the NICS Improvement Act of... I got it. Don't even... Panic! Ah! For those of you that don't know what a magazine is, it's not one of these. It's an actual physical area to store explosives and materials in a safe manner. We'll do that one more time. What does this have to do with ammunition? What does any of this have to do with ammunition?
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Eventually you'll learn not to talk when I am. For those that don't know what a magazine is, it's an actual physical area to store explosives material in a safe manner, and it's not one of these, and I hear these are like gold, so sucks to be you.
Sucks to be you, bro!
Cartman bra! What did I say? I don't think that made sense.
Good.
Hey, you! Oh, I should probably look at the camera.
So... I got this.
Yeah, no, I don't.
You know what I mean? Like, reassert that. Bro, I'm telling you, dude. Dick on the table.
Yeah, I was going to say, here, wham!
Dick on the table, dude.
Is that going to be the thumbnail for this? Just fake wiener?
I do my best to get this information correct, but I am not perfect.
Yes, I am.
Shut up.
Put that in there. Limited pool, and everybody wants a f***ing machine gun. And we're talking the real old school OG gangsters. It earned the nickname Chicago Typewriter. Who would have not? Who would have thought? Who would have not?
Major roll.
Major roll. And this week on the Legal Brief, we introduced new vocabulary words. You thought legal words were challenging? Wait till you try English. I see why that guy thinks I never blink. It's hard to blink and read.
Saying it weird.
English. Do you sprechen Sie? Yeah.
One more time.
A Form 1, which is an application to make... A Form 1, which is... and it... Click the AR pistol so you can hear me.
All right.
We'll do that again. So if you live in a state such as, I don't know, Wisconsin, Maine, or Texas, this
decision don't affect
yeah, I
you.
almost kept going. This decision don't affect you. So the price goes up. 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 I don't know what to do with my
I
hands.
want him to make you dance. Izzy, make him dance all over the screen
Up.
with that.
Up! But I still can't get the words out of my mouth. However, to say it's not a silencer because it isn't silent, well, when you invent something, you can name it whatever you want. It's a silencer. That is until you start drilling holes in things. ATF's NF hey. NF hey.
NF hey!
Hey, you, stop! Click the bottle of water so you can hear me. Underwater, or something like that. 5 is not under the influence of alcohol or another...
Sorry. Fuck.
Hey, you, stop! Click the fish so you can learn about law and stuff. And order and things. What is this idiot doing? Otherwise, you could risk losing your license. I said rusing.
You said risk rusing.
I said risk rusing.
Risk
rusing. I got it. I'm good.
Okay. Go. Do it again. Yeah, there you go. That's good.
We'll do.
Yeah. Like, well, hold on. Do one where you completely oversell it. Like, yeah.
There's actually 9. That's not 9. That's 6.
That is not 9.
That's not 9. Who taught you math?
That is not 9.
Who taught you math? There's actually 9 different types of FFLs that exist. I'm not even going to use finger.
I really want you to do that.
There's 9.
That's not 9.
That's
at
not
all.
9. No, who taught you math?
Not once has that been 9.
Never in the history of 9 has that been 9. Well, actually, it's 9 upside down.
Is it? Show me how that's 9 upside down.
Well, I mean, if you took a 6
What?
and then flipped it. Where we discuss who needs an FFL when dealing in firearms, I mentioned that there were other instances.
Oh, it's so good.
All I can think of is the 9 now. There's actually 9 different types of FFLs that exist.
And 6.
Hopefully that gives you guys a...
Hopefully.
Yeah. Yeah, if I could talk today. Hopefully that gives you guys a brief... There's only one of you watching, I know it. Don't forget to like the Gun Collective on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Full 30, Snapchat, and wherever else you can catch us on social media. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the Gun Collective on Facebook, Instagram, Don't forget to like the... me.
You're good.
Yeah, the easy... Well, no, I saw the words were different than what I was saying. I'm like, oh, that's not the right order.
That's not right.
Yeah. Don't forget to like the Gun Collective on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Full 30, Snapchat, and wherever else you can catch us on social media. And as always, thanks for watching.
The shirts worn in today's episode of The Legal Brief have been provided by Patriot Patch. Click the link in the description to learn more.